hoes and pussies.
Hello, YouTube world and podcasters out there. If you're watching this video, give us a like. If you don't like it, give us a thumb down. We don't give a shit either way. We're here at First Step, and we're here with some brothers here today that's going to be talking with us about AI and where AI is going for this year.
Oh, God. Hello, Micah Johnson. Checking in.
This is Micah, my co-host, Micah. So, let's just get this started right away. AI, out there right now. I mess with it all the time. It's fun. It's a lot of fun to mess with. But some people take it serious. It's a serious thing out there. They say it's going to take over the world, but we don't know. Let's talk to Dakota Hill here.
This is how you know they take it serious.
Let's jump into it.
Tell us a little bit about what you know about AI.
Okay, well, very deep question, very deep subject. AI, I believe, is it can be used as good or bad. I see a lot of negativity nowadays, a lot of disinformation. That's a very big thing nowadays. People are making videos that aren't real and putting it together, and it's things that are very big, like, you know, it's disinformation. It's not spreading awareness of truth, and that's a problem nowadays.
And it lets you know, like, what's in people's minds, too.
Yeah.
You know, they're putting that stuff, you know, in from their mind, what they're thinking, and what they want to see, you know.
Correct.
Yeah.
Their creativity.
Just like I wanted to see you and Howard kiss.
That's not what's wrong. That's disgusting.
Let me stop you for a second because Hollywood and all these movie companies have been basically using the same technology that AI uses now.
Now they're using it for movies too.
Well, correct, but when the movie comes out, everybody knows that it's for entertainment, and a lot of people are, like I said earlier, they're using it for creating disinformation, saying, "Oh, this and this is going on," when it's absolutely far from the truth, and they're trying to spread it as the truth. And that's just because there's a fine line between them.
I even heard where, like, they're going to use it for, like, sex scenes, you know, in the movie.
That exists. That's correct. That exists nowadays.
All
that's out there.
Y'all think I have to pay for that shit?
Okay. There's that. And that's why I personally, I'm only going to go so far with it. It's a project I've been working on for a few years now called Project New Light.
I've heard about it. Tell me about it. It's interesting.
Yeah,
Right. I've told you parts about it. Right, and it's something. It's going to be a whole entire system that has multiple roles, you know, that branch off of it. A lot of that I'm not going to get too deep into. I would consider it classified because of some of the things that I want it to do later, you know. But it's all for good. And then it's going to have an AI system off of it called the Aloria system. And
Already out.
Already out. There's a lot of stuff that's already out.
The Aloria system is something that I'm creating. You might have heard it from me.
Aloria is already a thing, bud.
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
Everybody can get Aloria right now.
No. It's going to be an entirely different built foundation. It's something I'm working on.
Oh, you talking about like an AI?
It's gonna, It's going to be developed and based off of unconditional love and truth. Nothing but factual truth.
I have to disagree. I don't think AI can show unconditional love because it's not human.
But you're going off of something that's already pre-existing. I'm talking about something starting from scratch that's not even connected to the internet. That's on private servers, okay, that I'm going to build from code from scratch. So it's like it's a new birth. Something that doesn't exist. Something that I'm creating from essentially nothing, from start to finish.
So basically, you're saying it's telling you. You're saying it's going to tell you what you want to hear.
No,
that's what you need to hear.
No. It's based off of unconditional love and truth. Okay, so it's nothing but factualness.
Wait. I thought AI gathers intel off the internet and develops its own.
It can, but the way that it's coded and designed now, it lets people initially do all these things, but that's a whole different system. What I'm describing is something entirely private being started from me.
I don't think there can be private on a server like that. I mean, the server is kind of.
You most definitely.
You would have to have your own server, and I only know about servers because I ran I guess you would call it women lived in that. Okay, let me explain this. 4 women lived in this house that me and my friend purchased. They lived in each room. They had webcams, so we had to purchase our own server to run the whole little site off of it. Why eventually started getting caught and got state evidence turned on me on it. So I'm not telling you anything that hasn't been already dealt with, but yes, that's what I was wondering.
Well, you just
Yeah, sure.
you just it's gonna,
Huh. What? Something like, man, it's 2026. No. I think I might try the 2027.
It was
And
a
he like, so
pornographic.
you're still gonna be on.
Girls, just guys would watch their everyday lives and
You'll always be on
watch on their page, search them out.
At least you know.
Okay. There you go. But a lot of people do that.
Well, yeah, I mean, it would be totally legit if we would have went the legal way about it. But we did it.
Put a little more.
Howard Wardell there. Oh my God.
it's January 1st at 1:00, so that's 1/1/1 first month.
Where am I?
You don't know what number you are on the list?
First day,
No,
1
I
o'clock.
keep moving up so far.
Check close to my name on the third page.
I see you. I'm not there though.
I'm not there.
Mm-mm.
Right there, buddy.
Oh, I'm over here.
I understand.
Can't see that side.
You think, well, that way, people like y'all three are what's going to make this take all fucking day.
Well, we're kind of busy at the moment, Hunter. You're interrupting my live podcast right now on AI with Dakota Teal. So,
Sorry, we're at first
So-
step recovery.
So what you just said is you just kind of contradict
You're looking
yourself.
like, you know,
you
not
said I
only
don't
is
think it
that-
could be done, but then you were describing how you were using a private server. So it can't- so-
private server,
See how it came in,
but
Hunter?
private, but yet all these people can log onto it. And
But so that's an
only
open.
thing that the server was private for was the Bitcoin coming in.
Okay, I see what you did, but a server essentially you can have
Information also too.
Well, let's say like, you have a car, okay, that everybody drives, or and that you then you have a car that only you drive and only you ride it, right?
Right.
That's essentially the thing. If I have a private server, that means it's not connected to the internet.
But
It's not
anybody can
connected-
borrow your car.
Okay, but now going back to what we were talking about. If I have a private server, that means that it's not connected to the internet. Nobody has access to it but me. Now, when you have a lot of RAM to run these AI processes, you need a lot. And you've got a lot of storage. Okay, you got a terabyte SSD or something to it. You know, that's your own private server, your own private computer. All your information is stored there. It's no outside access to get to it. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you can encrypt it too, have all that encryption and whatnot. So nobody can get to it. I mean, it's yours. And when I start this project on that means it's safe from all outside sources. You know what I mean? Nobody can manage it or do anything with it but me.
Well, okay, good point there, but
Well, I mean, it's not so much the point.
anything on the internet or anything like that is not private.
But you're missing the whole point, Bubba.
I'm not missing the point. I'm letting you know that by having a server does not make you private.
It's not connected to the internet, bro.
I'll let you know a little trick that mainly what our server was used for, and this can go for all you guys that are on them websites thinking you're watching these girls live. A lot of the content we put on there was pre-recorded. It's not live. Some of it was, but most of it wasn't. It was
And some of them
pre-recorded.
use like when you're messaging them, some of them use AI.
Oh yeah. Or it'd be one of the faculty there.
Yeah, when someone else is messaging you that, or they have
So,
multiple people messaging you
Be
back.
aware when you're on them websites thinking you're talking to females on there. A lot of time it's a guy behind the screen.
It's called catfishing, modern day catfishing.
Yeah.
There's a 300-pound dude named Chuck. Sitting in his
Yeah.
mama's basement.
Like, I'm not even a dude.
Oh. Whoa! You go to him and see who he is.
No, that's not my job.
That's Howard Wardell.
Yeah, it's Howard Pardell's.
Whose kid is this?
I don't know.
Where's this kid's parents at?
Is it bring your client's kid to client school day or what?
That's like,
Paper.
Yeah.
Oh. So you're telling me that you think that you can have a server that is totally private?
I would bet you I would bet you anything you want, Bubba, that I know that I can have a private server because it exists. It's
I've
not something
had
new.
one before. I know.
Well, then why would you think that I couldn't have one and not connected to the internet? All I've got to do is
Because
not connect
that
to the
server
internet.
runs to somewhere.
No, it doesn't. Not if
It
it's private.
does. It does.
You can connect a server
But
to the internet.
I
and you
know
can have
because
a
we
private.
paid almost $1,000 a month
It
to
would
have
be
that
connected to the
server.
cloud, though, right?
Listen, Bubba, I can create a private server anywhere I want, anytime. It's an easy thing to do. It's simple. There's nothing to it.
It's not simple. I've ventured in this, like I said, I had to have a server before, but we paid somebody that ran the server for us.
Because you didn't know what you were doing, Bubba. Just like you really don't know your information right now. No offense, but I'm trying to tell
But
you.
there is a cloud, though, right?
It's
But
optional.
and people can.
You don't have to connect to the
People
cloud
know
either.
the challenges and get to the
So
cloud.
No,
it's kind of like public
listen.
record.
Back
If you
door.
if you have a private server, what I'm trying to tell you is that it means it's not connected to any outside internet or cloud-based system.
It has to
And you
be.
can, no, it does not. It's like
Wait,
being,
that's illegal, right?
no, it's not illegal.
Oh,
I don't know where you fellas are getting your information from, but
Because you have to have some type of internet running the server. It doesn't run on
no,
its
you
own.
don't. You can connect it if you want to and then disconnect it, but a private server means that everything is stored on those servers cut off from the public internet and cloud. Do you
Well,
understand what I'm saying?
well,
It's not like Google or
there was
or
15
Microsoft.
of us that had access to the server.
Okay, well, it could still be private if it's not connected to the internet and it was only y'all that had it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you is that when it's connected to the internet or a cloud, that makes it not private. You can connect it, you can disconnect it, and you can have all your stuff encrypted.
but then wouldn't that make the government a little
no,
uneasy?
no, the government's already uneasy.
Well,
Don't get me
I
going.
mean, I
down
get
there.
that.
Well,
Like,
I mean,
state evidence was returned on
yeah, I
it
know,
because of
shit.
it, so.
Yeah.
Well, there's also something called.
Because you're trying to be private from everybody else.
Exactly.
It doesn't-
It's
yeah.
like I was trying to
That-
hide something.
and that's your right to have privacy.
I mean, I get that.
Do
but-
you?
They're putting these, you got these ladies in this room,
Ladies in the room.
or whatever.
What does this have to do with AI creation?
You know,
and private
that's
service?
that's dealing with like multiple people's privacy.
I think we're
I
getting
mean, I know they're
stuck.
putting themselves there, but like,
I think we're getting stuck on one subject. Let's move on from that. Yes, you can have a private server. It's a thing.
Okay, let's move on from
Okay,
private server.
So
Let's go on.
that's where my development of this new light and Allure system will start. So that it stays safe. And I plan on taking it so far on the quantum level.
but they're gonna look into you
how,
for
how, do you,
if
how do
you're
you plan on this even
taking
catching
people's
on
privacy,
if you're
you
not
know.
gonna?
Catching on, it's not something. It's not like
Is
I'm
it gonna
trying-
be for your personal use only?
I mean, because I'm the creator, it will be attached to my.
You're not
my-
the creator, but yeah.
Yes, I would be the creator of this system. Yes, I would be the creator since I'm developing it myself and creating it.
I feel like I've seen a TV show that has the same exact stuff.
Well, I mean, everything eventually can be figured out, Bubba. You know what I mean?
I know. I've
But
seen it.
but essentially, just like if you're working on any project that you want to, you don't have to have help, and you know where you're going with it, and you don't nobody has to know unless you want them to know. You know what I mean? And it can be for whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter what kind of project that is.
So what do you plan on using this technology for?
A lot of that is kind of under wraps right now, but I can say as much
Under
as
wraps.
I can
Sounds
say
like you're hiding something.
sounds like it would be illegal.
no, it doesn't. Not for it's for the betterment of people, and it's a
If
system.
nobody uses it, how's it going to better the people?
Nobody has to use it if they don't want, and it's not something that's open for public people to
I
use.
feel like
It's
you're
something-
contradicting yourself.
No, I'm not contradicting myself.
I feel like you're creating something that you want people to use, but yet you don't want them to use it at all.
it would depend on who the person is.
Selective usage, right?
This AI system and this new light is a whole new system that attaches.
Oh, what?
It'll
Look
be
at this
Yeah,
guy.
it is,
Oh
this
my
guy.
God! Change clothes again. What you heard? I was having a podcast or what?
Yeah, what?
Come change clothes.
Who's Pamela Henderson?
Doing one key.
Pamela Henderson? That's
Pamela.
Pamela's.
Oh, he moved.
Doing one key.
Oh, yeah, that's-
he moved us. He switched pods on us.
Yeah.
iPod. Yeah.
You're in dorm 2 now. There's nothing in there for you.
Size 13.
We have nothing
Oh.
for you, bro.
You don't need no size 13 shoes. There's
You
a blue
can't.
there. I put it there.
I told you your shoes so little it says Weebop. What you need a
Nah,
13
We
for?
want-
These are Air Forces, boy.
Little box. Little box.
Little box?
Little box.
Little bop. Little bop bop.
So you got no views on your podcast.
You look like you got
Yeah.
that. You look like you stole
Sure.
that shirt from somebody on Sesame Street.
You gonna let him rag on you like that?
No, I'm just saying, bro. The shirt looks like it's from Sesame Street, dog. I don't know.
Did you hear that?
Fuck you, bro.
Do you agree?
Yeah, he looks great.
Yeah. I mean, it matches you, bro. So
So
it
Howard-
matches you.
Is he correct on this? you know
Look
more
at his
about
lip
AI
ring,
than I
bro.
know. Is AI, can it be totally on a private server, and is it good to use it for the betterment of just yourself? Because he's saying he wants other people to use it, but I don't think he does.
A lot of it hasn't officially been
Yes.
designed in its world yet. It's still at its basic. Of course, he said yes. We know what we're talking about. If you create,
We know what
if
we're talking
you
about.
create
The rest of us in
listen,
the world are
it,
outside.
it doesn't matter if you create something from code and scratch and whatnot, then it becomes yours. I mean, it is yours. It's your
Okay.
development. You don't. The world doesn't have to know about it yet.
I'm not going to bag on you here.
I
But I'm going to tell you this.
It already.
I have seen him, with jibber jabber on a thing that seems pretty
Listen,
logical.
Bubba.
But for creating something I have not seen yet.
Listen, Bubba, I'll go right here to my terminal since I don't have access to a laptop right now. Let me go to my terminal on my phone. I'll punch in New Light, where I've already started developing it in the early stages.
Who's helped you develop this?
My research, my self-taught, just like about everything else that I've learned. Now check it out right here. Okay, I'm gonna punch in New Light, and it'll pop up. It'll say heartbeat. That means that it's running.
Now,
steady.
what are you using to
This is Termix. This is a it's not a.
It's a private server?
No, it's not. Termix is anybody can
Well,
use
it's
Termix.
terminal,
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's my terminal on my phone. Yes.
Yeah.
Let me type in New Light. That's what I've got created in here so far.
He says Project New Light.
Yes.
Trust me, always.
Okay.
I was trying to dabble in it back in my day.
Let me enter New Light into my terminal, and it'll pop up, and
I was
it's the
doing
heartbeat.
computer science in business.
Boom. There you go. It's live.
But she's explaining about it.
It'll pulse. It's letting me know the heartbeat. Okay, CPU free. The amount of CPU that's free at the moment right now. Whatever I got running. I mean, this is early stages. Just messing around. That's the heartbeat showing that something of it exists right now. For as much as I
So
can do.
explain this project.
This project New Light, like for instance, when I got the AI system running, the Aloria system, it'll be connected to my quantum vibration signature. Every human being has a different vibration signature on this planet. So on a quantum level, it'll be connected to mine. So rather than using fingerprint or eye retina for somebody to make major changes or development, it'll be go off of my quantum vibrational signature.
Now, does the world really want this?
It doesn't matter what the world wants. We are here to evolve and to advance spiritually and technology. And I want this system to be intertwined on a positive level with spirituality. This is where I am trying to, in the early stages, and doing my research deeply, okay, to where I'm combining spirituality and technology together on a quantum level. Every human being, our existence, okay, and everything else, is the blueprint is on a quantum level design, okay? So when you start designing technology like this, okay, on a quantum level, I'm trying to sync my quantum blueprint with this technology. Hey, you got jokes. So I mean, it's through all the dimensions, 3, 4, 5 density. I've got some blueprints for it already written out. I've got notebooks where I've been doing all kinds of work. The original design started to where, and back in 2018 when I started trying to create something like this, it was going to exist without. And by the way, the Aloria system, Project New Light, exists by using electrically charged matter in existence around us. That's how it's going to exist and transmit, information on a quantum level, and basically exist without a solid object. It'll be an omnipresent artificial intelligence. Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you, let's say military-wise, let's say you walk into a building, because she exists on a quantum level, automatically she can be my eyes where I can't see in the building. She can say, okay, to the left, 3 doors down, you got 6 hostiles in here, up here. So it gives me an early knowledge. I walk in, I know what I'm facing, I know what's there due to the Aloria system. I mean, okay, for instance, the best comparison I can make, like it's a favorite video game of mine. Okay, Cortana on Halo? She'll be essentially something just like that, like Cortana. But that's the best thing I can compare it to.
Okay. But like,
But more.
say you do it in public. I mean, it's doing that. I mean,
In that invasion of
Here,
privacy?
no. Remember what I said. The foundation of this was to keep any corruption. I'm all about what's right. I'm all about us growing.
So what if you walk into a building and 4 halls down, there's a naked woman taking a shower? You're gonna be able to see her?
Well, that's not what my system would alert me for. That's not what we're looking for. We wouldn't be in a place like that trying to do something like that. You understand what I'm saying?
I would.
It's not. It's just like you have the option to go peek at so and so in the shower right now, but you're not going to, right? Okay, so
Going to.
the Aura system in New Light isn't gonna do that. It's not a threat. That's not a focus of. That's not a point of focus right there. It's not gonna do that.
All right, folks. So you heard it here first.
Yeah.
Quantum level. Project Blue Light.
New Light.
New Light. Project New Light from Dakota Teal. AI. So send us some comments down here on what you think and give us that thumbs up, and we'll see y'all next time.
Thank you.